Hi friends, welcome to my channel JJ Pathfinder. Real Path creates victory. In this video, I am going to explaining about how to withdraw money from Federal Bank ATM counter. Firstly, find a Federal Bank ATM which is near to your location. Insert your ATM card into the machine properly. Then select the language in which you would like to use the machine. If you want 100, 200, 500, 1000 rupees, you can select amount directly from here. Otherwise, select more services. Then select withdrawal from the screen. Select the type of account you have. Normal account is savings, so select savings account option from the screen. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw from your bank account. Click on press if correct. Enter your 4-digit ATM PIN number here. Then click on press if correct. Wait a few seconds for the transaction to get completed. Now the process is executed successfully. Collect the cash from the machine. Before leaving ATM counter, take your card from the counter and press cancel button once. I think this video is informative for you. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel JJ Pathfinder. Real Path creates victory. Now goodbye and Jai Hind.